Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to archive or delete old employee records in Gusto. And this is a must-know task for keeping your systems organized and your data secure. So let's get into it. First step, understand the difference. Now, first, it's important to know Gusto doesn't allow permanent deletion of employee records for compliance reasons. Instead, you can archive employees, which keeps their information stored safely, but removes them from your active employee list. Now, step two is to navigate to your team directory. So what you want to do is to log into your Gusto admin dashboard at gusto.com, and then head over to People and Team Members. Now here you'll see a list of all employees, both active and terminated. Step 3, terminate the employee if not already done, of course. So if the employee is still marked as active, you want to click into their profile and select terminate employee. You're going to need to enter their last working day and the reason for leaving. So once saved, they're going to be marked as inactive. Step 4, archive the employee. Now after termination, Gusto automatically archives the employee's records, so you don't need to do anything extra to remove them from the active list. They will now appear under the former employees tab. Step 5, access archive records when needed. Now if you need to view an archived employee's pay stubs or tax forms or benefits history, just go to People, Former Employees, and click their name, and you still have access to their records. A bonus tip, you can use Gusto's document vault to upload final payments, pay statements. You can also upload exit interviews or any offboarding materials. That way everything stays in one secure place. And that's it. While you can't delete old employees, archiving in Gusto is clean and a compliant way to manage your past team members. If this helps, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe for more admin how-tos. That's pretty much it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.